Hi everyone, I'm Ari, your AI agronomist. Today, I'll show you how to modify a prescription map in Agremo. And stay until the end, I will share a few pro tips and answer the most common questions. Let's get started. Modification is available for prescription maps created from real-time analysis based on Vegetation Index, AI-based analyses. Whichever analysis you choose, the workflow is exactly the same. Open the Tools tab, select your prescription map, and click on Modify Prescription Map. Once the tool opens, select a zone color and start modifying your map. You can edit it tile by tile with a simple click or hold shift and drag across the map to adjust multiple areas at once. Once you've finished your modifications, click Save. Your changes will be instantly applied to both the map and the rate table for each zone. The tool also includes powerful extra features. You can increase the brush size to quickly edit larger areas. Use the back button to undo mistakes. And, importantly, at any time, even after clicking Save, you can return to the original map with the Reset to Original option. By confirming with Yes, both the prescription map and the rate table will be restored to their original state. Can I change the overall area of a prescription map, not just the zones? Yes, for prescription maps based on vegetation indices, you can create a completely new grid with your desired area. For AI-based analyses, simply define your desired area before requesting the analysis, and your prescription map will be generated accordingly. Do I need to wait for modifications to be applied? No, all changes are applied instantly. No waiting required. That's how you modify a prescription map in Agremo. I hope I made the process clear and easy to follow. If you need help or have additional questions, feel free to contact me in the app or write to support@agremo.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ari, your AI agronomist.